Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can invite your contacts and friends to upcoming events inside your Discord server. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your Discord server guys, and here in the top left corner below your server name you will see that feature here called events. So you will see that number indicating how many events are upcoming within your server. Click into it and here you will see a list of all upcoming events, which is currently one for this example server here. So if you'd like to invite someone to the given event, guys, you may create a completely new event if you like by clicking into this button, select the location of the given event, like for example a voice channel or text channel inside your Discord server. And after that you may of course choose also a real life location if you'd like to meet with your server friends. And after that, simply click into next here and customize your event. Add an event topic, select the start date, start time, the event frequency if you'd like to repeat it, and so on and so forth. Let us skip all of that, guys. Let me just name that event for the sake of the tutorial ABC. Click into next here, create the event, guys, and once the given event has been created, you will be given access to that invitation link. That expires within 7 days, guys. So if you'd like to invite your friends or contacts using that invitation link, click into copy here and send it to your friends, for example via direct messaging services or emails, to invite them to that event. Of course, guys, you can do that for already created events. So let me click into that one here below, and here, guys, you will see that button share. Click into it, and here you can, for example, search for friends and contacts in your friend list on Discord and send an invitation to the event directly by clicking into that button, or use the message I just showed you with the shareable invitational link here, guys. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.